this lecture, we are going to see URL length as a SEO factor. In 2016 research data, number of characters in URLs has risen by over 15% since last year. One reason could be the increase in number of contents from interior pages in directories and subdomains than the home pages. Google has started to show the precise URL related to the search query rather than just the home page of the website. This year, the correlation factor has got reduced from 15% to minus 3%, that is in negative zone, which means the URL length should be reduced from now on. Generally, Google advises to avoid unnecessary parameters in favor of speaking URLs. That is, you need to add keywords, related terms, and proof terms inside the URL instead of some unnecessary characters, symbols, stop terms, etc. But you can notice that the first search result has got the shortest URL, isn't it? This is because most of the first search result links to the home page of top level domains. That's why the URL length of first search result are always lower compared to the following positions. In the next lecture, let's see how file size affects your ranking in Google search results.